Stand up and be counted both on and off the field with our stock screen printed numbers. Our stock screen printed numbers are available in a wide variety of colors, sizes, styles, transfer types to coordinate with any team's home and away uniforms. We offer 3 different types of our screen printed stock numbers: the Goof Proof, the Temp Pro with the Elasti application, and AquaTru. First, we'll apply a Goof Proof screen printed number. Let's set the press temperature to 365 degrees and set the time to 4 seconds. Then we're going to take our garment and thread it onto the heat press. Goof Proof screen printed numbers work best on cotton, polyester, and cotton poly blends. We're going to pre-press our garment for 3 to 5 seconds and remove any moisture and wrinkles. Position your transfer numbers on the garment with the ink side facing down. As you can see, we just need to line up the 2 carrier sheets with each other, and they'll be spaced perfectly every single time. Now we'll press this for 4 seconds with a medium to firm pressure. Our Goof Proof screen printed numbers require a hot peel, so as soon as the time's up, peel the carrier away immediately in a smooth and even motion. And now your Goof Proof screen printed numbers are applied. Next, we're going to apply a Temp Pro style Elasti screen printed transfer. These are perfect for scorchable polyester, any stretchable cotton, or cotton poly blends. First, let's set the press temperature to 275 degrees and set the time to 15 seconds. This lower application temperature is what prevents scorching on our 100% polyester garments. Next, we'll take our garment and place it onto the heat press. We'll pre-press our garment for 3 to 5 seconds to remove any moisture and wrinkles. Position your transfer numbers on the garment with the ink side facing down. Again, we'll just line the carriers up with each other for perfect spacing every time. Now we're going to press this for 15 seconds with a medium to firm pressure. Our Temp Pro Elasti screen printed numbers require a cold peel. Then we're going to remove the shirt from the press and allow the transfer to cool completely to the touch. Once cooled, we can peel the transfer paper in a smooth and even motion. And now your Temp Pro Elasti screen printed numbers are applied. Now we're going to apply our AquaTru water-based screen printed stock numbers. Now, AquaTru is the perfect solution for printing numbers on any garments containing spandex, lycra, or woven nylons. First, we'll set the press temperature to 290 degrees and set the time between 12 to 15 seconds. Then we're going to take our garment and place it onto the heat press. We'll pre-press our garment here for 3 to 5 seconds, removing any moisture and wrinkles. Next, we'll position our transfer numbers on the garment with the ink side facing down. Again, just lining up the 2 carrier sheets for perfect spacing every time. We'll press this for 12 to 15 seconds with a medium to firm pressure. AquaTru water-based screen printed numbers require a hot peel, so as soon as the time's up, peel the carrier away immediately in a smooth and even motion. And now, your AquaTru water-based screen printed stock numbers are applied.